It sounds counterintuitive, right? But sometimes, the best way to make someone want you more is by pulling back and ignoring them. Here's how you can use the art of strategic neglect to heighten desire and draw someone in. Number 1. Don't be always available. One of the most powerful ways to make someone desire you more is by showing that your time is valuable. If you're always available to them, they will start to take you for granted. By occasionally being hard to reach or not immediately responding to texts or calls, you create a sense of scarcity. People crave what they can't easily have, and when you pull back, they begin to appreciate your attention even more. Number 2. Create emotional distance. When someone is used to you being consistently available, pulling back emotionally will create a sense of mystery. This distance makes them wonder if you're losing interest or if they've done something wrong. That feeling of uncertainty makes them want to prove themselves to you, thus increasing their desire. Number 3. Be independent. People desire those who are self-sufficient and don't rely on others for emotional fulfillment. By pursuing your own passions, interests, and goals, you show that you have your own life and are not dependent on anyone. This independence naturally increases your allure and makes others want to be a part of your world. Number 4. Make them miss you. Absence makes the heart grow fonder. By withholding your presence, you allow the other person time to miss you, which increases their emotional attachment to you. Strategically ignoring them, without being rude, keeps them wondering about you, which keeps their desire burning. Number 5. Show that you have options. When someone sees that you have other choices or that you're not desperate for their attention, it creates a sense of competition. The idea that you could be with someone else makes them want you more. Letting them know that you're not emotionally dependent on their approval elevates your status in their eyes. I always share extended info in just 2 minutes. Subscribe now and save your time.